Hey Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet became an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one, and let's go ahead and get right into this video.
So your girl is trying out gel nails for the very first time on today. I thought that I did pretty good with learning how to do acrylic, so I was like, it's time for me to learn something else, and gel was the next best thing. So today, I'm going to be doing that. I'm starting off with my clean, bare nails. I just soaked off my acrylic so they are ready for a new application. And I will be using these Kiss nail tips on today. Now let me say that I don't like these nail tips so much because they go down very far, but I will leave my favorite nail tips listed down below if you all would like to purchase those, and I will also leave these down below as well. And after I'm done sizing those nail tips, I will then be taking my Makartt nail glue and gluing on those nail tips. Y'all see how far these go down? They go down very far, so I definitely recommend checking out the other ones that I will have listed down below. Moving right along, I am now clipping my nail tips down with a false nail clipper. I will also have this listed for you all, and you do not have to take this step. If you like the nails the length that they are, you can definitely keep them this way. It's all about personal preference when it all boils down, but for me personally, I was going for a shorter look on today, so I cut those down, and I also cut the sides and also filed the sides down a little bit because I was going for more so of a coffin shape, not really square, so I'm definitely cutting off those sides to create more so of a coffin shape.
If you're thinking about leaving, let me know. If you're thinking that you don't wanna hurt me, coward, I'm getting bored. 'Cause I can find another, so don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time, 'cause that is what you came here for. Oh, this is what we gonna do. You never come clean and you never come through. Take your shit and don't come back. Looking so surprised how you could do me like that. You think it was all up to you.
Now I personally take priming and dehydrating the nails very seriously, so I don't know how gel really works without it, but I know that I was not about to go without priming my nails. So I started off by dehydrating the natural nail. That way the gel can have something to adhere to and something that it can stay stuck to.
He can, 'cause he's a man, but he is just a boy. No, won't let it steal away my shine.
Now in my short time of learning about gel nails, I discovered that these are all of the products that you need. I will be using IBD hard gel, and you can only use this if you have an LED/UV lamp, so I will leave one listed down below. And I also will be using the Model 1's nail primer. To me, this is an absolute necessity. And I will be using a Makartt number 10 brush to, of course, apply the gel. And you also need alcohol to wipe off that tacky layer after you are all done curing the nails. So I'm starting off by priming my natural nail, and you only have to put this directly on your natural nail. And then I will be taking my IBD builder gel, and as you all can see, I'm going in sort of like a circular motion and dragging this product down. One thing that you discover very quickly about gel is that it is self-leveling. So there is not too much filing that you have to do, and if you have to do filing, it's going to be very straightforward and to the point, easy and simple, because it's not as hard as something like acrylic. And I'm going to continue repeating that same exact process on each one of my nails.
I won't let him get into my mind. No. Oh, he thinks he can, 'cause he's a man, but he is just a boy.
Also, make sure that you are curing the nail after you apply your gel to each and every single one of your nails. Therefore, the product will not have time to run all over the place. It will already be cured into place. And then you can move on to the next finger after you cure.
Get up and dry, get up and dry again. Your number, baby. I'll give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow, maybe?
This is my thumbnail before shaping and filing, and you all, I cannot get over how smooth these nails were already. Now I will be taking this drill bit here. This one is from Melody Susie, and what I'm going to be doing is smoothing out that nail furthermore. Now you all, the filing process for these nails was super duper short. I want to say that I was only filing my nails for upwards of 10 minutes, okay? So definitely amazing. I love these gel nails so much, and I will definitely be trying them again. Also, the drill that I'm using is from Makartt. It will be listed down below. It is a great drill for any of you ladies who are a beginner with nails, whether it be acrylic nails or something such as gel nails. You're going to love this drill, and also it is super duper inexpensive.
Can I get yours? Say, can I get yours?
Now here are my nails after the shaping and filing process is complete. Your girl still has some work to do with these gel nails, but honey, I am loving the way that these turned out. So the nail polish that I will be using is from Kiara Sky, and I will be applying this polish here on my pinky finger and also on my pointer finger. It is a beautiful orange shade. I absolutely love this color, and it seems like it would glow in the dark, but unfortunately it doesn't. I just love this shade, y'all. It screams summer, but it is also great for the season that we are in now, and that just so happens to be fall. Now on my middle finger and thumb, I will be using this polish here by the brand Gloria, and I absolutely love this shade as well. I don't think that this is sold on Amazon any longer, but if I can find it, I will definitely put a link down below. I will be applying this on my nails, and I think that I applied 3 coats of this to get the beautiful peachy shade that it turned out to be. Next up, I will be taking this beautiful shade by Model Ones. This is their Shiny Platinum Nail Gel, and this one is in the shade of 2. I absolutely love these, you all. These pop out so beautifully. The reason why I'm saying these is because this particular shade came in a set, and I promise you that if you are to purchase this, you're going to love all of these shades. The glitter is so beautiful, especially when the light hits it right, okay honey? And this happens to be one of my faves. And to finish this look off, I will be using my Melody Susie Top It Off top coat. I will be applying one layer of this, and I also applied some rhinestones. If you all would like a separate video on how to apply your very own rhinestones at home, then let me know down below in the comments section. Other than that, that is pretty much it for this look. I'm going to pop this in my UV/LED lamp and cure it for 30 seconds, and voila, you are all done. Now before I show you all the final look, I want to share with you all the cuticle oil that I will be using. I created this in one of my previous videos, so I will definitely link it in the cards for you all. And while you have your acrylic and or gel nails on, this is supposed to keep your nails underneath long, healthy, and strong. Definitely check out my video on this cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I do have a lot more work to do with gel, but let me say, for my first time, I am super duper impressed. Tell me what you think about gel nails down below. And will you be trying out gel if you have not personally tried it yourself? I love these gel nails, especially for beginners, because I feel as though they are a lot easier to do than acrylic. And they also are just as strong as acrylic nails are, you all.
And before I head out of here, I want to share with you all my Glam Star of the day. I want to thank you so much for your continued support, and I thank all of you all for watching. If you're looking to be featured in one of my upcoming videos, all that you have to do is leave a comment down below and turn on those post notifications, because if you're first to comment, then that boosts your chances of being featured in my next video. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.